Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me again, Faisal Salangura. So, in this second part of the Papercut design tutorial, I will deliver to you the second tutorial of making Papercut design. So, without any further ado, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, everyone, was in the design file. So in the previous video, yeah, we have made the shape and the color, and we have divided. And after making the shape and making the color, you have to tidy the layers. So this background layers in the is the first layers, and then this is the second, these three red colors, and then this the third, the fourth, the fifth. This two water pump is the fifth, and this is the sixth, and this is the seventh. Okay, after that, maybe for for make it more interesting, I will add like another shape, maybe with curva tool. I will use curva tool like this, and then like this, for make it more interesting. Just make it more interesting. Make it like this, and then backward it with, and then make it some colors. With this you can see how I make the shape, and then another like this. Okay, make it more darker, I think. Make it more darker, and darker, and then backward it. And after that, maybe make some shape again. I think, yes, make some shape again. Oh yeah, by the way, for the curve tool shortcut is shift and how I do not know how to say this symbol, like wave symbol. Yeah, shift and wave symbol, like that. The shortcut of the curve tool, and then we go there again and make it more bigger, I think. Okay, like this. Change the color, and it's all already done. But before after we have made all shape, we have to select all of the shape and the assets, and then go to the properties, go to the fx, we can say it effects, and then go to stylize and drop shadow. Now in here there is a drop shadow panel. In here we can setting all of the drop shadow setting, like the mode, and then opacity, x offset, y offset, blur, and other. First I will make it 75% for the opacity, and the x offset, if in your device is more bigger and more heavy, because this effect is heavy, but we use pixels width and height, it will more lighter. So so that's because why I use pixels, not centimeters, because if we use centimeters it will be heavy. It's up to your device. Okay, after that, make it more like this. I think I have to tidy the x offset, and is enough. Okay, then click OK. Then it see like there is a Papercut effect in here. After that, wait, I want it more Okay, I think it's okay. After that, I will tidy the drop shadow again, maybe. Wait, and then okay, guys. So I was found the nicest and the goodest drop shadow setting. So I make it more to the left. I mean to the right. So after that, let's make some decoration. So this is in here. I was uh, prepare the decoration for our design. You can search it in the internet. So in here, I use prepare. This is the SVG. You can use EPS or SVG file. So I will take like some of these assets. This is I take it from FreePic and it's have free license. So don't worry. I will take what I think this. I will take these assets and then make it in here, and I will put it in here. Control G for group the parts. I think it will nice in here, and then I will use puppet warp tool in here. It's for set the rig or the bone, but this is 2D like this. With add more puppet warp. It's worse. Don't put it in here. Control Z for put it back to the previous version. Make a new puppet warp in here. New I think it's okay. Make like this. Okay, back to the selection tool. after that after that you can click the background in here and click this cactus group. Wait, I think it have to in here, and then okay. So after that you can click this two selection and then go to the pathfinder and use click unite. Wait, unite. Try again, click unite, and the so this is wait, this not perfect. Okay, like this. Back again, click unite in the pathfinder, and it will be like this. And make again, make another shape of cactus. I will make this cactus. Control C and then Control V to make it like this. Control G and make it more bigger. No, not too bigger. Not too bigger, I think. Okay, and then back to the puppet warp tool to make it like this. Okay, after that make it like this, we have to tidy the bone like this, and back to the select the background and the cactus group, and go to the pathfinder, unite it again. Wait, repeat it, unite. So I don't know why I cannot make it unite with this background. Wait, it united. Sometimes Illustrator is little bugging. So after that, but the drop shadow effect is gone. So okay, I just to put it again, and then after that maybe I will delete this color palette, delete it, and I will add another decoration. No, add another decoration in here. So I was prepared another decoration in here. Wait, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Ah, this. And then copy it to the Illustrator from your file. We copy it again from the Illustrator. Okay. So that this is a PNG, but I have some trick. So click the image and then go to the object and go to the image stretch and the select the option make and expand. Do not. Okay, wait. Okay, so the image stretch effect will make uh like an image like this JPEG or PNG will be an vector like this. After that, delete this. I just want this grass for the decoration. Okay, make it little blue. I mean green. Okay, like this. Wait. I think it's not too good. Make it more green and make this tree to darken. Wait, it's not compare with the background. I think it's enough. Then delete the another assets and make it like this. Tidy it. Okay, and then make another in here. Okay, and then group wait and then group two these two brushes group and give it the drop shadow in the stylus. Okay, and I will add another decoration. Okay guys, so I have make another brush in here. So the last step we must do is give the pepper texture. I use prepare it too. So using white texture, I get it from internet. So after that, make it some rectangle in here, like in here. Okay, and then click the image texture white, the pepper texture in here. Click the pepper texture and tidy it to the frame. Okay, little tidy like this. With okay. So after that, in the texture image, go to the opacity setting in here, and from normal make it to the multiply. So this image will have some texture like this, and this is the edge. Now, so this is was tidy, and after that, don't forget to save your file. With Ctrl S or the file, you can click save or save on your computer, and then you can save your file with click save button. Okay, maybe that's all from the Papercut design tutorial. This is the final result of my design. Okay, so maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this tutorial have a good impact for you to designing in Adobe Illustrator. And for the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.